Today we'll learn how to place a dine-in order on the POS system without selecting a table. This method is ideal for dine-in scenarios without fixed table numbers, for example, quick service restaurants. Step 1. Select Quick Order. From the POS home screen, tap Quick Order to enter the ordering page. Step 2. Choose Dine-in mode. On the left side of the ordering page, select the Dine-in option. On the right side, tap the dishes you'd like to order. The selected items will automatically appear in the pending order list. Step 3. Proceed to checkout. Once all dishes are selected, tap Checkout to proceed to payment. After confirming the total amount, the customer completes the payment. Once payment is completed, tap Complete, and the order will be successfully submitted. Step 4. Printing and kitchen sink. The system will automatically print the customer receipt. If kitchen printing is enabled, the printer will generate a kitchen ticket. If the kitchen is equipped with KDS, the screen will instantly display the ordered items. You can then proceed to take the next customer's order right away. The whole process is quick and efficient, making dine-in ordering easy and smooth with LuckyPOS.